To make this Christmas Swiss roll, put your eggs and sugar into a mixer and we're going to whip this so much. Look at it change, but this took about 6 minutes. Make sure that it holds a ribbon, and then we're going to sieve in the dry ingredients. So we've got the flour there, give it a little stir around. Don't knock that air out, whatever you do. Then in with the dried fruit and the zest. Give that a fold in again. Now we're going to take a little bit out here because we've got oil and treacle and we don't want to deflate it all. So just put that into that little bit we took out and give it a good stir and pop that in, and it's just going to incorporate so much better and not knock all that lovely air out. So give that a little bit of a mix and pop it out onto the tray. Now I'm using a 13 by 9 inch tray here. Give it a little smooth out so it's all even all over, because nobody wants a Swiss roll that is big in the middle and not everywhere else. And bake. Here we go. Bring it out and then pour over some sugar over the top of that, and I've put a bit of cinnamon in that as well. Put a baking sheet and flip. Make sure that you have loosened the sides or it won't come off. Peel the back paper off, and then we're just going to cut a third of the way in, just there. It folds over nicer. Joe told me how to do this, and it makes a perfect round cylindrical effect. Anyway, we're going to roll it up with the parchment paper in the middle of it, and we're going to let that cool completely. So pop it on the side, and by magic, mine is cool. Pull it back. It may look like it's a bit harder. Don't forget you've got a lot of fruit in this, so fill it with whichever you like. I'm using a white chocolate and orange ganache, which I will leave the recipe for, and then we're going to roll it up. So give that a really good roll. Use the paper to help you, and then once it's done, we're going to pour some icing sugar across the top, and look at that. Absolutely beautiful. A lovely Christmas Swiss roll.